The person we were fighting over, his dead body, is a Meru, the first Meru person to be an engineer, the first Meru person to buy a car, the first Meru person to build a permanent house, the first Meru person to have a Mzungu kaki suit, the first Meru person to have stopped his daughters from being circumcised, the first Meru person to have taken daughters to school, the first Meru person who inspired everybody. So the argument that was in court was about this man. And the question was, he had married in 1957 in a church function. Again, he married in a traditional man. So the question was, under the current law, anybody who has a marriage certificate has an automatic right to bury the deceased. We presented before the court that for 40 years he had moved away from that marriage of a marriage certificate. We put this question to the court. Is marriage, what are the vows of marriage? The vows of marriage are till death do us part. Can anybody claim to be married to a corpse? There was no marriage. And the court agreed with us that the marriage was for the purpose of being a wife or being a husband. Those terms have disappeared. Upon death, she becomes a widow, he becomes a widower. So the court agreed to us that this traditional concept about I was married does not move after death. The second question that was there is, who will be given the right to bury? The court has settled that the person who has been very close to the late person. That is the jurisprudence that has come. And this is a landmark jurisprudence because a man walked away 40 years ago, alive. He's being driven in a casket to be buried, where he ran away and he never looked back.